Hello friends, my name is Amit Thakur. Today we will discuss about the problem like how to find the maximum difference between any two element from the array. Before we start, I would request you to like the video and click on the subscriber button. This is also most important interview question which frequently asked in many interviews. So basically here interviewer trying to ask you if I will give you the array which has some elements or some numbers and I want to know what is the maximum difference between any two numbers. So if you will see here this is also called as buy and sell problem to get the max profit. You want to know what will the max profit. Okay, so if I purchase particular stock in $4, okay, or $4, and I want then I purchase and then I sell it on 300. So I will have the maximum profit. So you can see the difference between 300 and 4 is the 276. So this is the maximum difference between any two numbers from this array. You can see, you can check, right? So how can we find this value max equal to 276? So we will try to implement it. So see, in this case, what we will do, we will put one loop actually here, okay, on this here, and what I will do first, I don't know the min value and max value, okay. What is the min and max value in this array? Okay, so I will consider my min value is the integer dot max, okay, and max equal to the integer dot min here, and then I will check okay, then I will run the loop actually on this array. Okay, so obviously the min contains the maximum value right now. Okay, I am giving deliberately I have given. Okay, and I will compare with this array of I means 0, correct, right now 0, correct. So I will compare with this value like this 4. Okay, 4 is less than because I have to find out the min value from this array and the max value, and then only I can understand, then I can only calculate the difference, correct. So here what I will do, I will just compare with this my array of zeroth index value 4, okay, uh, with my min value, whether this array of 0 is less than to min or not. Okay, if it is less than min, okay, okay, it means I will assign this value to the min basically. Okay, so if array uh, I, okay, less than min, obviously it will be less than because deliberately I have kept the max value for this. So what I will do, I will assign min equal to array of I, something like this I will do. Okay, if in okay, if this is the condition. Okay, and here what I will see the difference. Okay, so I know the min right now. Okay, so I know the min. I will just decrease the value. So array of I, example, array of I, okay, minus min, okay, greater than max. Okay, right, because see max has the negative value obviously here because we have assigned integer dot min, right, it has a negative value. So if area of I means 4, 4 minus min means my 4 equal to 0, 0 is greater than max. Yes, because max has the negative value here. So what I will do, I will just simply assign max equal to this area I minus min. Okay, so let's say try to implement it so we can understand. Okay, okay, so let's go to the Eclipse. Let's class com dot thakur dot interview dot demo 5. Okay, so buy, we can call it buy and sell also, buy and sell, find max difference, okay, number, right, and between the number basically, between the numbers. Okay, okay, let's try to implement it. Okay, so we have the main method. Here we will use same array. Okay, let's say I have the array like int array. It has some elements. I will try to use same example. Okay, okay, great. So I have this array. Now I know. So if you will see the maximum difference between two numbers is minimum is the 4 basically here. Okay, and maximum is the 300. So 276 should be answer. 276 है ना, should be my answer. Correct. So how can we implement? How can we achieve it? So let's say I don't know the min and max. So first time I will try. I will take integer dot max value. Okay. Okay. So I have taken the max value here, and then int max. It is the whatever the limit of the integer, it will have the max value, and it is the minimum value. And here I will reverse. I will just okay. I told you why we did it. Okay. So we will have the minimum value. It will be negative, obviously, in negative. Correct? Because and this will be in positive highest value. Okay. Okay. So whatever limit of the integer, that will have the highest value. Okay. So here I will put the loop actually here for int I equal to 0. Int I equal to 0, I less than array dot length and I plus plus. Here I will put the simple condition like if. So I told you like first what I will do. 1 minute, I equal to 0, right? Okay. So first I will check this 0th position whether it is less than mm, the min or not. Okay. So array of I, okay, is less than min. Obviously it will be less than because we are taking the maximum value here, right? Obviously it will be less than. So I will assign immediately. I will take the my min value, min equal to array of I. Correct? Right. Right. If one more condition, okay, I have to find out the max also. If array of I, right, okay, minus min, okay, array of I minus, because we have to find out the difference. See, 4 minus, let's say example, if array of I has a 10 example and min has a 4, correct? So 10 minus 4, correct? So 10 minus 4. If it is greater than max, right? Or max has the minimum value, it's negative. Obviously, it will be greater than the max, correct? Right? So I have to just immediately I have to take the max value. Max equal to same area of I minus min. So example, if min has the 4 value, okay, and area of I is let's say 10 because it's increment, right? It will go to the first index also. Okay. So what will happen? I will have the value like 10 minus 4 means 6. 6 is greater than max. Yes, true. So we have the max. Very simple. Done. This is our max value. Likewise, we can find out the value. Just print the value as y so maximum difference between any two elements is max. Correct? Just so we can see other output. Control F11. So 296. Sorry, not 276. 296. My mistake. Right? Correct. I hope you guys have understand. Thank you to watch the video. If you have any question, please write down your question in the comment box. I will try to give you the answer. Thank you. Bye bye.